Hello and welcome to another ETH video. Yesterday's comments basically still remain relevant. We have filled out this microstructure really well. Ether has followed it really well. And actually also, when we talk about the microstructure itself, filled all waves, okay? So very nice to see. Throughout yesterday, we talked about this potential bull flag here, which eventually did break out and actually formed another high with a peak at so far $2,311. At the moment, the move down seems corrective, so it still suggests further extensions. And as I explained yesterday, it takes a break below micro support to suggest a pullback is coming. I'm not going to put any kind of support area on the chart for now, because as long as the uptrend is unfolding, we are going to look for higher prices. It's just that we've now reached a pivot. Okay, so for the last few weeks, for anybody who's new on this channel, for the last few weeks, we've been watching for another extension into the area, and that was what I said, $2,200 plus. So that was, I specifically didn't give you a maximum target or something, but 2,200 plus. And the idea was to get a fifth wave extension. And in this fifth wave, we wanted to see an ABC structure. We're now in the C wave, and in the C wave, we wanted to see 5 waves. And all of these 5 waves have been filled. Okay, if we talk about the nano structure, you could say it seems like another high might be possible and likely. But we're now at a key pivot point, because here, if we keep pushing and pushing and pushing, I have to assume we're already in the third wave. I mean, we are already in a third wave anyway. Yeah, it's just this is a wave 1 in a larger third wave. If we keep pushing and don't break micro support, I have to assume that we're already, you know, in the main element of a third wave rally, which means we could go quite quickly to 3,000, 3,500. At the moment, I'm still watching for a potential pullback. Now, I'm not saying it will occur. I'm just saying I'm watching for it, okay? Because we've now really, the chart has really filled all these waves outlined over the last few weeks. So hopefully that helped a lot of you out there. The thing is, now another high still seems likely, because really looking at the nano structure, let me go to the 30-minute chart. Looking at the nano structure, you see this here, I mean, you could argue maybe wave 5 finished here, but it would be very, very shallow. This might turn into a triangle, some kind of a small bullish pennant here, yeah? Possible. You know, and there are different ways how this can unfold, of course, but this looks like another flag pattern or pennant that might give us one more high to maybe around about $2,400, $2,500. And if we just keep pushing, I have to assume that we're already in the main element of a third wave. I shared with you yesterday this trend line, so as long as that's holding anyway, the trend is up, okay? And it takes really, however, to confirm that a top is in place. From what we see right now with the data we have, it takes a break below $2,088. No, 1 second, it's $2,188 to confirm that a top is in place, yeah? So this swing low, yeah? So that's what it takes. Obviously, it's cascading probabilities, so the more support levels are being taken out, the better to confirm a top is in place. But very first and early indication would be a break of the trend line. Better indication would be a break below that swing low. Don't think there is much more to add at this stage, so for the greater context, also feel free to check out yesterday's video. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. You'll find the links in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.